pay for a new book? Monster trucks. On a spooky speedway, monster trucks moan, monster trucks grumble, monster trucks groan. Frankentruck is first to arrive. With a jump of his cables, he's alive, he's alive. Werewolf Truck croons a gravelly tune, first a screech, then a growl, and a howl at the moon. Next up, Zombie Truck. Headlights glow green, dripping in diesel, he's cranky and mean. Then out of the shadows, Ghost Truck appears, rattling his axles and grinding his gears. Vampire Truck is toothsome and cruel. He waits for his victims and drinks down their fuel. Up goes the flag. Each rig takes his place, ready to rumble in the monster truck race. On a smoking speedway, monster trucks tow, monster trucks rev, monster trucks go. It's a monster mashup, clang, boom, bash, bang. Every truck for himself by piston and fang. When out of the pit, with a put and a toot, comes a little blue bus, looking perky and cute. On a smash-em-up speedway, monster trucks sneer, monster trucks snicker, monster trucks leer. The cackling monsters lick their chops for some lunch. She's a meal on wheels to this frightening bunch. I'm not scared, toots the little blue bus. Hope you monsters are hungry. You'll be eating my dust. Over rugged terrain with a heave and a hoe and a spin of her tires and a ready, set, go. The little blue bus chugs down the track. She buries those monsters. She doesn't look back. On a squealing speedway, monster trucks thrash, monster trucks thunder, monster trucks crash. Then up from the rubble, one truck burns a trail. He's mad and he's thirsty and he's hot on her tail. But the little blue bus has a trick up her hood. She slams on her brakes and locks 'em up good. Vampire Truck takes a bounce off the wall. Spun out and sputtering, he rolls to a stall. Can you guess who's in front when the checkered flag falls? The little blue bus. She's got gumption and pluck. But how did she do it? Well, we'll just call it luck. Oh, the end.